I occasionally enjoy having matcha. Matcha has many uses. You can pour matcha syrup over shaved ice, mix it into cake batter, or even make matcha ice cream. The simplest recipe among them is the matcha salt. Fritters in tempura are delicious with regular salt. But when you use matcha salt, the refreshing flavor matcha helps cut through the oiliness. In this video, I'll show you how to make delicious kakiage tempura, which tastes amazing with matcha salt. It's perfect for making at home, and you can fry it a crispy finish even with a small amount of oil. First, let's make matcha salt. The ideal ratio is said to be 7 parts matcha to 3 parts salt. But don't worry too much about the exact ratio. Mix it to suit your taste. Matcha salt can be made just by mixing. Next, I will make kakiage tempura. Kakiage is a deep-fried dish made of finely chopped vegetables and shrimp. 1 bunch of mitsuba leaves, 100 grams thinly sliced onions, 50 grams shredded burdock, 50 grams shredded carrots. Cut 100 grams of shrimp down the back and remove the intestines. Wash the shrimp in the salted water and wipe up the water. Make the tempura batter. Mix half the egg with cold water to make 1/2 cup egg water. Add 1/2 cup flour while sifting. To make tempura crispy, it is important not to overmix the batter. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of flour over the ingredients placed in the tray. Mix until the flour is evenly distributed. Drop the tempura batter onto the ingredients. Normally, you would add the ingredient to the bowl containing the batter and mix, but if you do that, the tempura will be not crispy. This is the best way to make crispy tempura using less oil. Heat oil in a pan over medium heat. Add ingredients and fry on both sides. You can make 4 to 5 pieces with today's ingredients. Give it a try with matcha salt.